Today's lesson is bond angles in methane, ammonia and nitrogen fluoride. Degree of bond angle in a molecule basically depends on the hybridization of the central atom of the molecule. Let's look at the matter. When hybridization is sp3, then bond angle will be 109.5 degree. If hybridization is sp2, then bond angle will be 120 degree. If it is sp, then bond angle will be 180 degree. Now let's see hybridization state of the central atoms of these molecules and degrees of bond angles. Hybridization state of carbon in methane is sp3 and structure formula of methane is like this. This is sp3 hybridized and here the bond angle is hydrogen carbon hydrogen is equal to 109.5 degree. In case of ammonia, structure formula is this. Ammonia carries one pair of electrons and nitrogen is sp3 hybridized. Here the bond angle is hydrogen nitrogen hydrogen is equal to 107 degree and 28 minutes. In case of nitrogen fluoride, structure formula of nitrogen fluoride is this. Here also nitrogen carries one pair of electrons. This nitrogen is sp3 hybridized as well. Here the bond angle is fluorine nitrogen fluorine is equal to 102 degree 29 minutes. Now let's see the reason behind this. Though the hybridization state is sp3, nevertheless degrees of bond angles are different. Let's see the reason. Let's look at the structure formulae of these compounds again. Methane, ammonia, nitrogen fluoride. Here the bond angle is 109.5 degree. Here it is 107 degree and 28 minutes. Here this is 102 degree 29 minutes. The reason is in methane no lone pair of electrons and as a result in this molecule only bond pair electrons repulsion is present here. This is a bond, that means here one pair of electrons present. So in this molecule only the repulsion between bond pair electrons. But in this case nitrogen is carrying one pair of electrons. In this molecule this is a kind of repulsion, that is repulsion between lone pair and bond pair electrons. In this molecule as well the repulsion between lone pair and bond pair electrons. Here the repulsion is bond pair and bond pair electrons. But in this case the repulsion between lone pair and bond pair electrons. In this case also lone pair and bond pair electrons. Repulsion between lone pair and bond pair electrons is greater than bond pair electrons. As a result, here the angles are squeezed because of these lone pair and bond pair repulsion. In this case, same thing happens, that is, repulsion between lone pair and bond pair occurs. That is why in these two cases bond angles are contracted. That is why here the bond angle is 109.5 degree, but in these cases it is decreased to, in case of ammonia, this is 107 degree 28 minute, and in case of nitrogen fluoride, this is 102 degree 29 minute, because of the presence of lone pair of electrons. Now let's look at the difference in case of ammonia and nitrogen fluoride. In ammonia, the bond angle is 107 degree 28 minute, and in nitrogen fluoride it is 102 degree 29 minute. Now let's see the reason behind this difference. This is ammonia and this is nitrogen fluoride with lone pair of electrons. Here this is 107 degree 28 minute. Here this is 102 degree 29 minute. Electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.1 and hydrogen is 2.1. Because of this higher electronegativity of nitrogen, covalently bonded electrons move towards nitrogen. As a result, around nitrogen, the concentration of electrons increased, and as a result, degrees of bond angles are expanded like an umbrella opening. But in this case, electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.1 and fluorine is 4.0. Because of the higher electronegativity of fluorine, covalently bonded electrons move towards fluorine. Because of this, around nitrogen, concentration of electron is decreased, and for this reason, bond angle in nitrogen fluoride is decreased like umbrella closing. So here, concentration of electron cloud around nitrogen is decreased. That is why bond angle is decreased like an umbrella closing, and here concentration of electron cloud is increased because of its higher electronegativity, and as a result bond angle is increased like an umbrella opening. This is all about the bond angles in methane, ammonia and nitrogen fluoride. Thank you very much.